Hey guys, this is Driving TV, and in today's video, we will be bringing you last-minute DMV written test tips. While it is completely normal to feel a bit nervous before a test, some students find test anxiety debilitating. Racing thoughts, inability to concentrate, or feelings of dread can combine with physical symptoms, like fast heartbeat, headache, or nausea. You are not alone. Here's what you can do to stay calm leading up to enjoying your test. Now, I hope you enjoy our video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future video. Now let's get started. Number 1, try to schedule to take the test earlier in the day. Taking the test in the beginning of the day will allow you to have more energy and to get it over with sooner rather than later. Number 2, be observant. When driving with family or friends, the test questions revolve around good driving habits. Make sure to pay attention to how your family and friends react in different situations, as well as other drivers. By doing this, it will help you visualize each question during the test. Therefore, it'll make it much easier for you. Number 3, review the official DMV handbook. The official DMV handbook has all answers you need, and is where all the test questions come from. From specific numbers and informations to traffic signs, make sure to review these directly from the handbook. Number 4, get your sleep the night before. Getting sufficient amount of sleep will help your body and mind function at its greatest potential. Make sure you feel 100% going into your test. With 7 to 9 hours of sleep the night before, you will feel completely rested the next day and ready for that test. Number 5, hydrate and fuel. Drink enough water and have a healthy meal for breakfast on the day of your test. Research shows that eating a hearty breakfast results in better exam performance due to the nutrients delivered to the brain, so make sure that you have a healthy meal. Number 6, fully read each question thoroughly. While you go through the test, make sure you read each question carefully. The DMV test questions are straightforward, and making sure to read the entire question will help you choose the best answer. Make sure you take your time and reread if necessary. Apply the questions to real-life scenarios and use your logic. Number 7, use multiple choice test strategies and tips. So utilize multiple choice test strategies, such as eliminating all but 2 answers and making sure you take an educated guess. Sticking to your first thought usually helps, and answering the question you know first. Remember, try to remain calm and take your time. Last but not least, number 8, stay relaxed during the test. One of the most important tips, I'd say. Stress is natural in a testing environment. Make sure to relax yourself during the test. That's so you can make the best decision possible without any distraction. If you feel at any point too stressed out, take a few deep breaths try breathing techniques. This will definitely allow you to calm yourself. Always remember that you can always come back another time and retake the test if you happen to fail by any chance. However, try to keep your thoughts positive and know that you will be fine. Taking a test with stress or anxiety can be very challenging and have a huge impact on you, on your results. So you must try your best to be fully relaxed and remain calm.